In this video, we will learn how to build advanced search queries using Anstrex InStream Platform's Query Builder. In the previous video, we talked about basic search function, which is suitable for quick and simple queries. However, if you want to perform complex searches with Boolean operators such as and, not, or, our advanced search query builder will meet your requirement. Let's learn. To invoke Advanced Query User Interface, click on the Search button and then on Advanced Search to open the Query Builder. The Query Builder may seem intimidating at first, but it is fairly easy to use once you grasp a few key concepts. The highlighted area on the screen are called groups. By default, a new Query Builder window will have 2 groups. You can add more groups by clicking on the Add Group button, and you can delete them by clicking on the Delete button. Within each group, you can create multiple rules. By default, you will have 1 rule in each group. You can add a rule by clicking on the Add Rule button, and delete them by clicking on the Delete button next to each rule. The groups are chained together by a single Boolean operator as shown. Similarly, rules within a group are chained together by a single Boolean operator. You can also create groups within groups as demonstrated in the video. This level of control allows you to build almost any query you can imagine and makes this function priceless for power users. Now let's learn to build some queries. I will start with a simple query. Within Group 1, I will add some rules. I want to target all the e-commerce creatives. I want to have the word eyelashes in the creative text. I also want the ads from USA. I want ads on Android platform. As you can see, all the 4 rules are joined together by the Boolean operator AND. It means that all the conditions need to be true for every creative in the search results. Let's submit the search. As you must have noticed, an error has occurred because we left the group 2 empty without any rules. It is required to delete all the unpopulated groups. Therefore, we are going to delete this group and resubmit the search. The search results, as expected, show creatives related to eyelashes from USA targeted on Android operating system and running an e-commerce platform on their website. This is relatively a simple search and could have been accomplished with drop-down filters in combination with basic search. However, a big advantage with advanced search is that you can save this search for future use. In order to save this search, type a meaningful name and click on the Save button. After saving this search, I am going to reset the search and clear everything so I can show you how to recall the same search again. To recall the search, you will have to open the Advanced Search Modal dialog again and load the saved search from the drop-down as shown. As soon as I select the search, it will populate all the fields automatically. If you want to delete a saved search, please click on the Delete button. Now let's build a more complex query. In this case, I want to find out all the creatives which mentions the word pet, dog, or cat on the landing page, but I'm not interested in finding ads that are for pet food. I will use 2 groups here. In the first group, I will post my required keywords. In the second group, I will post non-required keywords. As you can see that I have joined all the rules in each group by OR operator. This is because I want only one of the rules to be true to get a match. Also notice that the 2 groups are linked together with Boolean and operator. This means that the creatives in the search results should be shown only when the conditions in both the groups are true. Let's hit the search button and you will find creatives that are targeted towards pet-related products but does not contain any pet food ads. Lastly, I will show you one more advanced search utilizing complex Boolean logic. Here, I want to target role-playing game ads on Android platform. Most common keywords are role-playing, RPG, and MMORPG. So we will populate these keywords with an OR logical Boolean operator because we want the landing page to contain any of the words. At the same time, we want the creatives leading to Google Play Store. Also, we want both these conditions to be true, so we will choose and logical operator. In this case, we also want to sort the results by likes in descending order. Before we execute the search, I will also save this search. As evident from the search results, we are able to find role-playing games ads on Android platform. We can further fine-tune this search by adding more rules as necessary. I hope I was able to demonstrate the utility and benefits of advanced search with the aid of the examples I covered in this tutorial video. I will see you again in the next tutorial video. Until then, cheers!